Hi there. In this video, we are going to design a bottom. So, what we are going to use? We are going to use Onshape. So, we are going to click on here, create a new document, and we are going to name it a bottom. So, after it's done, we are going to see the environment of Onshape. So, this is the environment which we have. These are the planes we are going to use: front, right, top. This is the features window, and we are going to import our image first. So first we need to select the plane we want to draw. I'm going on the front view by clicking here, and this is the front view. Now I want to create something on this. I would say sketch, and then I would say the plane which I want to create on. So this is the plane I'm going to select here. Now we can sketch something here. So we need to import our image first. So I'll go here, click on insert image, and then I'll import from my downloads. This is the bottle, and I'm going to click on it and draw somewhere around here. Okay, this is our bottle. Now we need to design this bottle. So we are not going to sketch something on this sketch. So we are going to ignore that because we have image on it. So we are going to create a new sketch, and we are still designing on the front view. So we are going to select the front plane again, and here now we can sketch something on it. So first I'm going to draw this shape. So it's very easy. We are going to select the line tool here, and we are going to draw a straight line here like this. We can zoom in to check the position. Okay, so we have this line. Now we want to do something. I'm going to click on escape to get out of this tool. So now we need to sketch one side, and then we can revolve around this axis, and we can have this segment. Let's see how can we do that. So I'm going to click on line again, and I'm going to create this section. Now I can use another tool here. There are multiple tools to draw something. So I can use this arc tool here, and okay, we are going to create an arc here. So like this, we have this one. Now we are going to again select the line tool and create this part, draw this one, draw here, here. Likewise, we are going to just trace this image. Okay, like here. I'm going to get out of this tool again, and I'm going to see this one. Okay, now we need to create this area again. I'll continue with the line tool. Here. Now we need to create this one again. So we can continue with the line tool, or we can use another tool that is called supplying here. Okay, so I'm going to use this supplying tool to draw something like this. as you can see, I'm going to get out of this tool again. Again, we are going to use, I'm going to zoom out this one and zoom in on the area where we want to draw again. So I'm going to continue this one with this applying tool. Okay, as you can see, we have here some white dots. We are going to cut these dots. Okay, I'm going to use the line tool again. I'm not using this applying tool because I don't want a precise shape as I wanted. So this is okay. A line tool and a supplying tool are two different things. We can remove the areas on the line tool when we extrude it, but on the supplying we cannot. So that's why I'm not using the supplying tool, because we cannot apply multiple tools there. There are some limitations on Onshape which we will discuss in a separate video, that how we can avoid those limitations. Okay, so we have this one. Now okay, I'm going to click on line again and draw this area. Okay, this is not precise, but it's going to work. Okay, here, here, here. Something like this. I'm just trying to draw this shape. Okay, now we just need to connect these two dots with the line tool. So I'm going to draw with it. So now we have this one. So we now have a closed profile. As you can see, we can hide the sketch one, and we have a closed profile because we can see the gray area here, for gray color, which is showing us this is a closed profile. So now we can do anything with it. So what we want to do, we want to just revolve this thing, this side on this side. So that's very simple. So I'm going to get out of this sketch. I'm going to click on Revolve button or Revolve tool here. I'm going to first need to select the sketch. So I'm going to select the sketch tool. So I select the sketch tool. Now I need to select the axis which I want to revolve around. So this, I'm going to click here and click this line. Okay, now you can see we have a proper bottle here. Okay, so that's very easy. As you can see, we have a proper bottle here, and okay, so now we are going to, let's see what tools we want to use here, what kind of tools. Okay, okay, as you can see, we are using a shell tool to make this bottle hollow. So we can put dynamic values here. I selected the top view, so we can print this bottle later on. So I'm going to change these values to 0.05. Let's see what happens. as you can see, we have this thickness. This is the thickness, and I'm going to get out of this one, and we have a proper bottle here. As you can see here, if you want to see something here, okay, as you can see, we have a hollow bottle here, so which we can print and use for water or for whatever. So this is very simple. Okay, so what I did here, and click on this one, turn on this section view, then I click on the plane, and then I can see inside of this object. So I'm going to turn off this one now, because we know it's hollow. So I think so that's it. If you want to create the lid of this bottle, you can create a separate object again, sketch again on it like this one. So let's create this one as well. So I'm going to create another sketch, because this is a separate object. We are not going to use the same sketch tool, or we can use that same sketch tool, but I will try to create another one. So let's see, we want to select the front view, and now I can sketch on it. I want to draw a simple line here, simple line here, like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, I want to create another line here. So there are multiple tools to do this area, but I'm going to stick with the line tool, because we are trying this one first. Okay, I'm going to connect these dots. It's done. Now I'm going to fill this area, or we can use the same tool as first one, but okay, we want to. Let's do it like we did the bottom here, and I'm going to get out of this thing. I'm going to remove this side. I don't need that. I just want to revolve this one as well. So I'm going to remove this one, because we need the lid of this bottle. So I'm going to again select. I need to get out of this sketch. Then I'm going to again select Revolve tool. Going to select our sketch, which was sketch 3. Then now we need to select the axis, and we have this axis. So as you can see, we have the lid as well. So now this is it. If you want to shell this lid as well, you can do it. It's pretty simple. You can click on this face and just create on shell. There was the shell here. Okay, you can see a hole here, and I want to create about 0.005. Let's give the shell thickness, so we can see again shell working here. So I'm going to get out of this one. I'm going to go on the front view here and zoom out. If you want to see the inside, I'm simply going here, click on the section view, and as we can see inside of this bottle now, we can see the lid bottle created. Okay, I'm going again on the turn off section and front view, and this is our bottle. Okay, I'm going to hide all these sketches which we don't want. Okay, so now you can see our bottle here. This is good. So you can export this file easily by clicking on these two parts, by clicking shift button, and you have selected these two parts. Now you can click right mouse button and click on export, and you can get the file whatever format you want. Let's suppose you want a step file, you can get the step file here, or 3MF file, OBJ file, STL file, whatever you want, or SolidWorks file if you want to work in SolidWorks, and all the other tools are going to help you here. So this is parametric modeling. So there is a difference between STL and step file, which I will cover in another video. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment what you want to see in the next video. If you have any kind of idea, I'll try my best to sketch something that on Onshape. So have a good day. Bye bye.